In this video, we will understand what is duty of care and how exactly it works in Paxis. Duty of care is a moral obligation for the corporations to keep their employees safe and secure. Duty of care offers services such as medical assistance and security assistance. Paxis has partnered with Global Rescue, who is actually looking for at the fulfillment of the duty of care services. Let's have a look at the broad points on what all it includes. It includes field rescue. It includes medical evacuation to home hospitals of choice. It includes security extraction, 24 by 7, 365 medical advisory, security advisory, mobile app access, travel assistance, and complete end-to-end follow-up on every case. Now, each plan has certain features and the highest plan has all the inclusions. The prices will always show in the corporate currency. So this corporate is in India. That is the reason the prices are showing in INR. I can anytime deactivate the service or I can anytime edit the service. If I edit it, I can actually choose the plan, either this plan or this plan. And while I'm changing the plan, I can also select that these services are applicable for all around the world except certain countries. Or I can choose the services only for selected countries. Let's say maybe these countries only. Yeah. And this service is activated for only these countries. Now, I can also deactivate the plan anytime when I want to. And if you wanted to know more details, then please click here and you will come to a landing page where you can actually go through all the details here. How exactly it works: when the corporate admin has activated the services, then when the employee is making a booking, it will automatically show to the employee that you are covered during your trip starting from your departure date to your arrival date. Once the booking is done, the employee receives an email from Global Rescue saying the activation of the services. The employee will receive a sign-in link. After the sign-in link, the employee will enter into the Global Rescue system. The Global Rescue also tells the employees to download the app so that they can receive all the notifications of the destination, and through the app they can reach out to the customer care. That's all on the duty of care services. Thank you.